my hair friends. Hi queens. Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how I achieve my super juicy mini twist here. Yes, the shrinkage is real. So first I started off with freshly washed hair. My hair was 50% dry. Yeah, so I always start out with my natural hair. It's a battle, trust me, it's a battle to keep my hair healthy, to braid my hair. I mean, I'll be fighting all sort of wars, but anyways, yeah, it took me less than an hour to get this far. And the products that I use to moisturize my hair, keep my hair soft, is my Moisture Miracle from African Pride. Excellent with my hair type. And of course my Dax. Yeah. So what I'm going to show you is that what I normally do for my twist to last for at least 3 weeks to 1 month. I normally add my my moisturizer, and then I go in with my Dax. From root to end, yeah. And then I start braiding. I start the braid my hair with 3 strands. For me, I think the 3 strands at the root, it keeps my hair nice and fresh for a longer time versus just two stranding my hair from the root. So with this method, it lasts longer, and I like using the 3 strands first, and then I continue down with the 2 strands. Yeah. So my twist, normally my twist, it's yeah, so this is what I do. Yeah, so that's my twist. Super juicy twist. My hair is looking so short. I just washed my hair, and yeah, and I recently trimmed the ends to keep them all nice and healthy. So yes, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some bounce to my hair, some extra bounce to my hair. I'm gonna use these curling rods to add the extra bounce to my hair. So I normally start here. So this is what I do. I take my flexi rods. Oh, sorry, these are not flexi rods. These are PERM rods. My PERM rods. And then I wrap my hair around up to the root, and then lock it in. I'll take another one, and I'll continue this until my hair is all wrapped around the color, wrapped it around. So I'm gonna finish this, and then So it's the next day, and I am going to remove my curling rods from my twist. So yeah. So, ooh, nice. So yeah. Oh, nice, nice. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'll come right back. Look at my curls, y'all. Look at my curls. They're so juicy. Oh, they're so nice. Look. So yes, look at my curls. They're so fluffy. Oh, look. So there you have it, my fluffy twist. Yeah, so it's simple, it's nice and easy, and you can style it up, you can style it down, and yeah, they turn out really nice. And yeah, loving my twists, loving my twists. If you have any questions, you can always drop it down in the comment box. Yeah, and I get back to you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I love my twist so much, so much, so much. Yes, so, and I did my edges, and yeah, so nice. Yeah. My twist, and this is the back. See the back, nice and fluffy. Yeah. So overall, it turned out really good, and yeah. So you can think about creative ways as to how to twist your hair, to style your hair. So yeah, so these are my mini twists, and I choose to style it up. Really nice. So the part doesn't have to be all perfect. This is a side part. Yeah. My twist, my mini twist, guys.